Okay, your Chapter 3 quiz bank or question bank has been uploaded into your course. And to find it, I'll show you how to find it. I'll also send you a link to it. I go to quizzes, and then next to quiz, click on these dots and click manage question banks. And here's all the different test banks. They're called question banks, but these are the test pools. In Blackboard, they were called pools. In Canvas, they're called question banks, but it's the same thing with a different name. So let's find, and I'll send you the link to this so it'll be easier for you to find. But here's the pool or question bank, CBA 469 Chapter 3 pool, fall 2019 _ CI. So to edit it, all you have to do is open it. I'm going to hit right click and open it in a new tab. So then you could just go through and look through. These are all the hard and medium questions that were in this Chapter 3. And there's 73 of them, true, false, and multiple choice. So I would just go through there and look at the ones that you want to keep. If you want to keep any of them, if you want to delete any of them, all you have to do is, read the question and scroll over it, click edit. If you want to change it to true, this is a true, false. If you don't like it or don't want to keep the question, all you have to do is click on the trash can next to it and trash it. So, or click on the X beside it. So once you've done that, once you have gone through and checked your questions to see if these are the ones that you want to keep, let me know, and then I'll go back in and reconstruct an exam 1 using the correct pools. The other pools are correct. So I'll use the correct pools for chapters 1, 2, 3, and 4. Don't do anything to the existing test or any of the other banks, because that test has already been taken, and I'll use that as reference as I rebuild. And you can just give me the specifications. These questions are 2 points per question. When we pull them in the pools, you can tell me how many you want from each chapter and how many points each pool you want to be worth. So for example, if you want all the questions in pool 3 to be worth 2, then I'll put in 2, and so on. So look through here, and if there are any that you don't want to keep, you can delete. Once you're done doing that, just let me know, and I'll rebuild test 1.